studying UKG. Good evening, respected principal, teachers, parents, and our dear friends. Today is a very special day for us because it is our tradition day. When we first came to school, sometimes we cried, but our teachers helped us, loved us, and made us and feel happy. We learned our ABC. We learned our 1, 2, 3. We learned rhymes, stories, and good manners. Good activities in our school. We learn discipline. We learn